I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling all ingredients on a clean surface for safety. Measure 250 ml spring water and pour into a heatproof cauldron slowly. Next measure 1/2 teaspoon powdered basalt and keep the container near you. Place 2 ember crystals on a separate dish for quick access. Hold the Phoenix oil bottle upright and prepare to add exactly 3 drops when prompted. Ensure you have a wooden stirring rod and a heat source set to low. Keep a glass vial ready to decant the finished potion. Place the cauldron over a controlled flame and heat to 60 degrees C. Keep the water at a gentle simmer to avoid boiling off essences. Add the powdered basalt to the water and stir clockwise for 60 seconds slowly. Drop the 2 ember crystals into the simmering mixture to release warming embers. Stir counterclockwise for 30 seconds to balance the thermal binding. Add exactly 3 drops Phoenix oil at the final infusion step to seal resistance. Allow the brew to steep off heat for 5 minutes. After the steeping period, prepare a fine cloth strainer over a clean bowl. Pour the brew slowly to catch any remaining ember fragments and sediment. Rinse the cauldron with 50 ml spring water and add that rinse to the bowl. Transfer the strained potion into a sterile 50 ml glass vial using a funnel carefully. Seal the vial immediately with a cork or screw cap to preserve potency. Label the vial with the brew date and note that potency lasts 7 days. Store away from direct heat and bright sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.